What if the thing most people spend their entire lives chasing can never truly satisfy them? Money is one of the most powerful tools in the world. It can create opportunities, provide freedom, and improve your quality of life. But it also has a dark side that very few people talk about. Stay until the end, because I'll share one truth about money that could completely change the way you think about success. Most people believe that more money automatically means more happiness. While money can solve many financial problems, it can't buy peace of mind, meaningful relationships, or a sense of purpose. Many people keep chasing a bigger paycheck, thinking the next milestone will finally make them happy. But when they reach it, they often discover they're still searching for something more. Another dark side of money is comparison. The more people focus on what others have, the less satisfied they become with what they already own. Social media makes this even worse by constantly showing expensive lifestyles, luxury cars, and dream vacations. Without realizing it, people start measuring their self-worth by their bank account instead of their character. Money can also become a distraction. Some people become so obsessed with earning more that they sacrifice their health, relationships, and time. They spend years building wealth but forget to build a life they actually enjoy. Success means very little if you don't have the time or the people to share it with. Here's something wealthy people often understand. Money is a tool, not the goal. When you use money to buy freedom, invest in your skills, help others, and create meaningful experiences, it becomes powerful. But when money becomes your identity, it can quietly control your decisions and your happiness. Now for the truth I promised. Ask yourself this question before chasing your next financial goal. Am I earning money to build a better life? Or am I sacrificing my life just to earn more money? That single question can completely change your priorities. And here's the surprising part. The richest person isn't always the one with the most money. It's often the one who has enough, values what they have, and is free to live life on their own terms. So the question is, are you controlling your money, or is your money quietly controlling you?